whatever you do, don't update Openclaw to the latest version. If you update Openclaw, it will literally break. You won't be able to connect to WhatsApp, to Telegram. All of a sudden, you'll get this bug which says unrecognized key enabled. You literally won't be able to use Openclaw. You'll try and run it, you'll get this kind of page. Let me show you. You'll get this kind of page. So if you've already updated, it's like kind of too late. Well, really, it's not too late because you can roll back versions. So I'm just giving you advice. I've made this video earlier. I just think I need to make another video to stress even more clearly. If Openclaw is working for you, don't update it. So what I'm here to show you is the way to roll back versions of Openclaw. So if you've updated it to the latest version, which is version 2.22, not sure if you can see this at the top of my screen. One second, let me just expand this a little bit. Over here we have version 22, which is basically today's version. Don't use today's version, 22nd of February 2026. This version is freaking bust. If you use this, it will screw up your Openclaw. A version that was stable and working was this one, 17th of February 2026. You click on this, you change it to this and click roll back. Once you click on that, you'll literally be back up and running. So if you've been down and you've been trying to fix it and you're getting these weird errors like this, and you're getting like a blank page, you just roll back to this version. Then you go to settings and to the bottom and then click on remove settings, and that's it. Don't worry, this won't delete everything. It will only delete your main API settings, meaning when you go back to Openclaw, your workspace skills and all of your built-in skills and your installed skills are all still going to be there. So you don't have to worry. Doing this, rolling back, won't cause too much problems. So I just wanted to show you this skill store as well, which is unbelievable for those of you who don't know. This is a skill store. It's part of the ClawLauncher. I talk about this in every video because this is my favorite software right now. It's a software that lets you install, update, stop Openclaw, roll back versions, and even has a skill store. All of this for under $100. Basically what it is you can literally search for skills and then add them, install them in one click. And if there is a skill that is like questionable, like not 100% safe or has some malicious code inside, you will see that when you click install. So if I click install, you will see, since this is a malicious, it's a suspected skill, you will get a pop-up in a few seconds. It takes a bit of time that says security warning. This skill has been flagged by VirusTotal, and it says what the issue is, and we don't recommend installing this. You can still install it, but they don't recommend it. So you're safe using this skill store. It has skills for everything. Let's say YouTube or WordPress, different skills that you might need. Let's say you needed to post regularly or automatically in a WordPress blog. This is also great for that. And last but not least, for those of you who are even thinking about getting this and maybe thinking twice, this is the game changer, the free API call section. This will get you free 1,500 calls. It's not from us, it's from Gemini, but this will help you do it in 3 simple clicks. And that's it. You can start using Openclaw for completely free. Not sure how long that's going to last for, how long Gemini is going to be giving every day 1,500 free requests. But as long as it lasts, it's lasting. And also, last but not least, for those of you, try the AI assistant. If you get stuck on anything, this is updated regularly. So if you get stuck, maybe deploying Openclaw, you can just ask the AI assistant. Okay, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. If you got value from this, see you in the next. And remember, don't update Openclaw if it's working. Just wait till there's a stable update. See you in the next video. Bye for now.